Well, Average Guys has decided to leave the city. We're moving to the country, taking the garage with us, get a cabin installed, convert that to a house, and just set up out here, get away from the city. So we'll show you a few more things as we walk the property. We staked out a few things here for a driveway. Fortunately, the land was cleared, so that was a big boost, and we're looking forward to it. All right, so we basically staked off our boundary here, 250 feet to the back of the property. The car is right up there. So now we're going to go from these intermediate stakes I made across that way and set up the other side so we can string that off. Then we're going to see where we want to have a cabin put down in here. Well, we spent the day thinking about where the cabin's going to be and marking some trees for removal so they can get the cabin in. Also, this stake with the orange was a electric co-op. They're going to run a power line from across the street, put a pole there, then they're going to run an underground cable where these markers are. And then where my better half is standing, they're going to put a meter pole right here, temporary meter pole. So they're going to do all that in a couple of weeks. In the meantime, everything's marked. Cabin's going to go about right here. It's pretty flat. And they're going to stack all of our timber back behind that orange tape we put back there. So I'll be up tomorrow watching them do some of that work, and then I will record some more then, let you know what's going on. Looks a lot different than yesterday.
Yeah, there was a lot of ribbons in here.
Yeah, I thought there was about 30 or so.
36.
Okay, well, I never...
37, 38, 39, 40.
Okay.
All right. There's Tim.